Hello everyone, welcome to Bell CB. Looking at another Bearcat 980 SSB. This one's for Jonathan in Virginia, and this is a tune-up report. We're here on the watt meter for Jonathan. We have 1 to 10 watts across the top. Okay. So on this watt meter, across the top scale, looking at 10 watts. A 4-watt carrier. 50 watt slug there. You're looking at 50 watts in the middle. That's 10. That's 15 where we'll be coming in at peak power. That's 20.
Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright. Yeah, I'm not getting big numbers out of these low-level modulation here. And sideband. But it sounds good, man. It's a good sounding rig. Sideband. Audio. Let me put it on the other radio.
Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really nice sideband linearity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both lower and upper sideband landed right in on frequency. Audio, check. Audio.
Once again, just 15 watts of peak envelope power.
I'm making money and I hold the money and get off the line. Wow, here's it down. Hey, I'm over here getting on Nissan Parkway, but I hope somebody out there somewhere hit it code 25.
Hello, radio.
It's set around and then that old storm going out there on the westbound side. Ain't no telling who's going to do
Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A new Bearcat 980 SSB. I'm back out.
Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A new Bearcat 980 SSB. Now back out.